guys, so I'm in Lonavala in this property called the Machan, and it is beautiful. I'm sorry I could not vlog earlier because my phone was totally discharged, but I'm gonna show you the room around. I'm gonna give you the room tour very soon, and I'm standing right now in the balcony, and this is so beautiful. The view is breathtaking. It's really nice and super duper excited. I'm here with my family, so I'm gonna take you around this place. I'm gonna have lots of fun with you, and we're gonna Mahabaleshwar after this. It's a road trip, so stay tuned and please keep on watching. It's amazing. It's amidst the nature, and it's really beautiful. So this is a tree house. We're staying in a tree house. It's called the Heritage. I'm going to show you around. I'm going to give you the room tour now. So this is the Heritage. Catty, my God. This is where we are staying. So I've come with my family. This is a bridge. This is a complete tree house. It's beautiful. It's so calm and serene out here. So, starting with the room tour. Okay, first, there's this spiral staircase which leads you on the top, and you get a bird's eye view from there. So, yeah. This is how my room starts. It's a triplex, by the way. Look at this view, guys. Just look at this view. It is amazing. Wow. And my hubby. This is the balcony. The view is to die for. It is amazing. And it's so calm. So peaceful. That is the bed. My mom and dad. Whoa! I'm going to show you the washroom, which is also very interesting. It's so well lit up. Okay, so this is like a very vintage kind of a bathroom. Very vintage feel. I like the plants over here. I'm gonna go down and show you the room. The magical spiral staircase. It's so cute. I just love it. There my son is coming. Hi. So I love this. I don't know what this is. It's like an old trunk kind of a thing. It is so cute. I just loved it. And this is the bed. And you get up to this view. Beautiful. The ceiling. This is my little lion. This is so beautiful. Look at the trail. The trail is so beautiful, guys. I'm loving the place. Feeling so good. We are going to Lonavala now. My son is shouting out for me. It's dark. It's totally dark now. It's just like 6 o'clock. No, it's 7 o'clock, but it's totally dark over here. It's exciting, but a little scary. See you. I'm going to show you Lonavala now. See you. Hi. So I am in Lonavala. This is a Rani Sati Ji temple. I've come to visit the temple, and then we are going to have dinner over here only. my god, that is a cow shed, a gaushala actually. Look at the cows, the size, my god. I'm pretty scared. Good morning. We are waking up to this. I had to capture this. It's so beautiful. That Pratik's still sleeping. So today is the second day and right now we are going to IMAGICA, which is an adventure park. It's an amusement park. It's very nice apparently. So we are just going there. We've had our breakfast, we've got up, we've enjoyed over here, we've taken a bath, we're all ready, and now we are on our way to IMAGICA. And we are also going to shift rooms over here, so by the time we come back in the night we'll be in some other room in the same resort. Okay, stay tuned. Hello, so I'm back from IMAGICA and I was so excited over there that I forgot to vlog, but I've taken a lot of pictures and a few videos, so I'm just gonna show all of you that. We have changed our rooms. We had Heritage Machan, we were staying in Heritage Machan, but now we have been shifted to Jungle Machan, which is also fantastic. Good morning, so it's day 3 and I'm gonna quickly give you a room tour now because it's morning, and sorry the room will be a little messy, but since I could not give you a room tour yesterday night, so I'm going to give you a room tour right now. So let's get going. So that's how we walk up. This is the path that leads to the room. But this is the jungle Machan. It's called the Jungle Machan. Yesterday we stayed in Heritage, which is the best, and now we shifted in Jungle Machan. So this is how it looks. This is the coffee area with this tree. Okay, the best part about the Jungle Machans are there are trees popping out from the ground. Sorry about the mess. That's the bed. The view is also very pretty. You feel as if you are amidst the jungle, amidst the nature, and it is so nice. This is the staircase that leads to the upper loft area, and this is the balcony. The rustling of the leaves. Okay, now I'm going to show you the best part, which is the bathroom with an open rain shower and open bathtub. Just look at these doors. The doors are like so pretty. The carvings, the wood carvings, and these lights. I am in love with these ancient antique lights. So there's another tree popping out in the bathroom itself. This is the outdoor rain shower. It's open roof and it is beautiful with this bathtub. I am in love with bathtubs. I get super excited whenever I see a bathtub in any kind of hotel room or something. Very, very pretty. Amazing. And that is me. This is the wooden fireplace. Very, very pretty. Now I'm gonna take you down to the other room. Okay, that is the wooden Machan. Sorry, it's called the woods. The woods. Let's get inside. All my people are inside, so you can hear her of that's my son. This is so cozy. It is so cozy. So all the brass antiques are sourced out from old ships. Again a bathtub.